Makau menargetkan fase baru pertumbuhan ekonomi melalui rencana pembangunan 5 tahun ketiga 2026 hingga
I
2030.
think to
Strategi
have
ini diarahkan untuk
the
mempercepat
city built
diversifikasi ekonomi
is a
dan
very
memperkuat
important
peran
step
Makau
forward.
sebagai penghubung
And those
Cina
three
dengan dunia
universities that will
global.
be built in Hengqin at the
Para
first
tokoh
phase
kebijakan
are
dan
all under
bisnis
the
Makau
government
menilai
control
wilayah
governance.
administratif
And
khusus
how does
Cina
the four
ini
key lab play
memiliki
into it?
peluang
Because
besar
all
untuk
four key
tumbuh
labs
dengan menyesuaikan
actually were
arah
part of
pembangunan
the various
nasional Cina.
universities. The
Hal
key
ini
lab
disampaikan dalam
main
forum
role
Ask
is to do
China
the
yang membahas
R&D's
peluang
R
ekonomi
part.
Makau di masa depan.
Research is the biggest concern for them.
Rencana 5
And that's
tahun
what
ketiga
government is
Makau
building
2026 hingga
the industrial
2030
R&D
menjadi
park.
panduan baru
Is to
untuk
actually
mendorong
bring in more
pertumbuhan.
companies that will
Pemerintah
do the
Makau
second
akan
phase,
fokus pada
the development.
diversifikasi ekonomi melalui sektor kesehatan dan kebugaran, keuangan modern, teknologi tinggi, serta industri budaya dan pariwisata.
Well, we've
Tokoh
been
bisnis
very
Makau
lucky,
menyebut sektor
to be
pariwisata
given this
kesehatan
privilege under
memiliki
the
potensi
One
besar
Country, Two
seiring
Systems.
pertumbuhan
So how
industri
do we
wisata medis
leverage that
global.
even more? And
Sementara pengembangan teknologi dan
having the
riset
Macau government
diharapkan
lead
mampu
us in
menarik lebih
terms
banyak
of,
perusahaan
in terms
baru.
of the 1+4 industry,
Di
the one
sisi lain,
that I like to
Makau
highlight
juga
a little bit
menekankan
more is probably
pentingnya
wellness
integrasi
and
dengan kawasan
longevity.
Greater Bay Area yang
I think
menghubungkan Hong
the
Kong,
global
Makau,
wellness
dan
medical
kota-kota besar di
tourism
Guangdong.
industry right
Langkah
now is
ini
about
dinilai
80
penting
billion
untuk
US
memperkuat
dollars
daya
and
saing
growing
ekonomi
to
dan
an
membuka
estimated
peluang
about
investasi baru.
$250 billion by 2035. And I think that's a great opportunity for us. A lot of that global tourism, global medical tourism business resides in Asia. I think people talk about going to Thailand, Singapore, Korea, right? There's that industry already exists, and I think that's certainly an industry that has a lot of synergies with our industry.
Take examples, the Macau Science and Technology Park, it will draw more newcomers for high technologies, and they will more focus on the biotech and the integrated chips together with the four state key labs of Macau, and they provide the technologies and also the research. And also take examples of the international integrated tourism and cultural zones. It is one of the biggest cultural development in Macau, I believe, in the futures. And I think these barriers for company to enter is quite low or not very high. And I think this area was suitable for SME company to enter this market.
The reason that I've mentioned that we cannot do it in isolation, because we cannot just close our door and think ourselves. Because Macau, firstly, is too small. Second, we are a hub, so we need to grow together with our partnering cities. And Greater Bay Area cities, obviously, are our natural match. We are the lucky one because our neighboring cities, namely Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Zhongshan, Foshan, their 15th five-year plan was built before our two sessions. So we already know their 15 five-year plans. For us to emerge into them and to grow together, we can look into what they have planned, and then we have our third five-year plan to coexist with them. We need to better utilize Hong Kong and Macau's internationalization to help our neighboring cities and to help ourselves to merge together, to build together our Greater Bay Area.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.